Stairs are a really fun dream symbol, and in this video I'm going to tell you what it means when you dream about stairs, either being on them or just seeing them. Hi, I'm Karen and I dream a lot, and I like to study and talk about dreams and dream interpretation. If you've ever had a dream about stairs, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. Thank you. In this video I'm going to give you 4 things it can mean when you dream about going up and down stairs. If you are going up the stairs, that generally symbolizes that you are gaining understanding. You are reaching a higher level of understanding. You're making progress towards your goals, what you're trying to achieve. This can be about goals for work or school or your life, but it can also be that you're getting better understanding about yourself, about the world, or even a better spiritual understanding. So look at what's happening in your waking life to understand which of those things it means when you're going up the stairs. Things are coming to the surface. Things are rising up for you. If you are going down the stairs, that means that you are starting to explore your subconscious or your repressed thoughts. It can be something you might dream about if you are in therapy or you're doing shadow work and you're starting to kind of dig around in your subconscious. You don't know what that's going to be, and that's what going down the stairs can represent. Going down the stairs could also represent a setback in your life. So in your waking life, if you recently experienced a setback and you have feelings about it, then you might have a dream where you are going downstairs. If you're getting value out of this video, please go ahead and click the like button so that more people can find out what it means when they dream about stairs. Thank you. If you are on the stairs and you're slipping and you're not being able to get where you're wanting to go, that can represent a lack of self-confidence in going towards your goals and in accomplishing what you're trying to accomplish. You're not on sure footing trying to get where you're going. If you see or you're on a spiral staircase, that can signify growth or even rebirth because it shows you the spiral, the cycle of birth and rebirth. Especially if you're going up, that's definitely talking about growth. If you are going down a spiral staircase, it can still be talking about growth and rebirth, but it may be talking about how you will find that when you look at things within your subconscious or you face things that are in your subconscious. If none of these meanings resonate for you, another way you can interpret your dream and what stairs mean for you is to think about how would you describe what stairs are to someone who didn't know what they are, maybe to someone from another planet. What words would you use to describe stairs to that person? And then those words might be what stairs represents for you. That's another tool that you can use when you're interpreting your dreams, especially if you don't want to use a dream dictionary. I do have another video on this channel about how to interpret dreams, how to use dream dictionaries, so go ahead and click the next video to find that out, or look down in the description for other videos that you might like. You can follow me over on Instagram at Caryndreams. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so you do not miss more videos like this one. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.